Welcome back to Wolfdog Empire. We're doing Trials of Nature number 3. We have Regard as a healer. Yeah, I'm going to use Regard as a healer. And then we need Viscaro Morel. Yeah, Morel. Yeah, so next contest of elements, they're telling me it's going to be blue. And it's good for me to know that ahead of time so that I can start prepping some of my elemental defensive down. I do have. I didn't have any 5-star elemental defensive down in blue. I was using 3-star Nordry against Titans. But then once we started going up against 10-star Titans, 11-star Titans, it was just they were literally sniping Nordry. So that was not a good thing. Then there was a summon portal that came out that had Frida and King Arthur both featured together. So I thought, wow, this is my chance right here, because I really do need to replace Nordry as my main elemental defensive down in blue. And I was hoping for Frida, but at that point I was happy to get Frida or King Arthur. Super happy to have gotten my first King Arthur, and I think I even said on there, I'll take 1, 2 King Arthurs. If I can't get a Frida, I'll take 1, 2, or even 3. And sure enough, I got one, and then I was able to get a second King Arthur. So I got 0 Fridas, but I was able to get a second King Arthur in that same portal, like a day later, I think. So I was super happy. But I do have a lot of blue heroes. I have a lot of 5-stars, period, who need to be upgraded. So basically, I just need to decide which ones are going to be upgraded first. In purple, I have a lot of purple. A lot of purple. I have Nyx. I have Lubu. And I already have Dio-Chan maxed out. I have Holda maxed out. I have Luhai maxed out. I have Costume Guardian Panther maxed out. So after all that is maxed out, I do have Viscaro maxed out, and he's not that good. But he's really good against minions. And right now, because I don't have Lubu maxed out yet, he's my only purple slow. So for rush, when I need a purple in a rush team, I throw in Viscaro still just because I don't have Lubu up yet. But I do have Lubu. I have Nyx coming up. I have Costume Freya. I do have 2 Kill Hair, Costume Kill Hairs, both of them. I do have a Costume Jabberwocky. I have Lepiota. I have a Conchu. But in purple, it's like I have too many already. I was super happy to get Costume Freya, but I have a lot of purples. I was super happy to get Costume Jabberwocky, but I have too many purples. And then what does a Soul Exchange do? They put Alfrike and Ludwig in there, both of them. What? So I had it. I had to get. I had to get one of them too for sure. I ended up getting Ludwig for 15. So I'm actually bringing up Ludwig right now. I put Nyx on ice just for a few weeks there, and I'm trying to get Ludwig up. Breen's almost down here. Breen or Brienne. Kagan will take care of that one here. Yep. Cool. All right. Thank you for watching the video. Please give us a like. And if you really want to help me out, though, please subscribe. You are greatly appreciated. Till next time, Wolf Dog Empire.